Hey there everyone, this is Janson, and in today's video we are going to talk about how I was able to capture this moment, and not just me, it was me and my students. Basically we were all on the same page, and such a huge move, the starting of the week started with the bang basically. uh, we had a strategy on place and all went perfect. I didn't even see this move. I went out for a walk, and by the time I came back, all my take profit, both my take profits were hit. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how I analyzed and how I able to enter this trade for a short. Okay, now before all that, if you guys have been already subscribed to the channel, thanks for that. And if you guys are brand new, welcome. This is a channel where I'll be putting in some educational content, and also I'll be putting some weekly analysis on the markets, showing you the best trading opportunities that are on my radar. Okay, so do me a favor, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and make sure that notification bell is hit as well, so that you don't miss any future videos. All right. So the first things first, we are on the 4-hour chart. Okay, and if you see, the gold has been in a consolidation stage from quite a long time. All right, now what has happened is, like, there was a pattern over here. We had a good Fibonacci pattern over here. Now, what is, yeah. So this is the anchor leg. We have this as the high. Yeah. We have A to B move. We have B to C, and 86 somewhere over here. All right. The good part is, this was the completion point for a short setup. Plus, if you know about the other chart patterns, like you have a shoot up, all right, and then you have a rising wedge over here. Okay, basically what this means is, you had a huge momentum, and then the steam is off. Okay, the steam is slowly getting reduced. So this is gold chart, and look left as well. You can see the market is right at the structure. See that? So basically I know where I have to keep my stop loss in the first place. If you haven't seen the structure videos, I have made a video on that, on the technical analysis basics or something like that. Don't worry about that. I'll put a link over on the right hand top corner. Make sure to check that as well. That will give you a fair idea on why I'm talking about this. So basically we had a structure. Where is my rectangle tool? Yeah. So this was the structure which I was talking about. So I already know that where to keep my stop loss. Okay, it has to be above this. All I was waiting for was to enter the market. Now, we cannot enter blindly, though we have some candlestick patterns in different time frames, but basically my trading time frame was on 15 minutes. So let me go to the 15 minutes. So yeah, this was something like this. Now if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, we even have another confirmation of a bearish divergence. You have higher highs, and you have this highs getting lower and lower. Okay, so this is the RSI indicator. So that was another confirmation. First one was this pattern. Second one was the pattern got completed right at the structure. Third one was this bearish divergence. Now everything is telling me to go for a short, but I haven't got any short setup until we had this, somewhere like this. Yeah, if I had to draw a perfect trend line, it would be something like this. Okay, We had a breakout over here, but that was kind of a fake breakout. But another breakout we had over here and a pullback. Okay, now let me remove that line so that I can tell you why I entered over here. If you look closely, we had a pin bar. All right, double top. Market did breach the neckline. Okay, a very minute double top. Pin bar as a pullback confirmation after a pullback, and then my entry is always based on a lower close candles or a higher close candle. In this case, I wanted a lower close candle, so this was my entry, this particular one. All right, and targets. So before targets, like I said, my stop loss was about this particular zone. Okay, that is with the ATR, I guess. If you want to again see about the ATR, I'll put a link on the description or on the right hand side corner. So 1-to-1 risk to reward on the first trade. Okay, and after that, the second take profit was on the Fibonacci 618 ratio. Okay, so Fibonacci I drew from the A to D completion. Okay, over here. So this is how my trading style will be. I always book my half the position in a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and the second half of the position according to the patterns. Okay, pattern. There are different profit zones for different patterns. For this particular pattern, it was the 618, so I targeted the 618. Now the fall happened, that was great. However, I wasn't expecting such a huge fall like this. Now this one, I took the trade, I went out for a walk. By the time I came back, everything was over. All right, that's a good thing. Okay, but not every time the market moves in such a way. All right, so like I promised in the previous video that as soon as this so I was saying, like, after I came back, I saw this move, I immediately put that in the YouTube saying that this is the scene after I came back from a walk. So, and I promised that how I have analyzed and how I have taken the trade, I will be showing you all that. So this was the setup. Now I after this fall, now another opportunity which I was looking at was once this fall happened. Okay, look left where it has taken the rust. Okay, now I'll remove all these fib ratios. Look left, it's right at the structure again. All right, and what do we have on this 4 hour? We have a double bottom. Okay, the perfect double bottom. All right, and again, if you go to 1 hour, all right, we had a pattern. Now this is a missed opportunity. I'm not sure whether it will fill my position. Okay, so there was another pattern for this. So this was my anchor leg, X to A, A to B, B to C, and CD completion at 886. But little shy of that thing. Market didn't hit my pending order. It just hopefully we'll see another push back down. Okay, hopefully we'll make a bullish divergence as well. If that is the case, it's well and good. And then probably I'll have targets in a different ways for this pattern. So if you want to know the targets, if at all the market reaches on this zone, okay, 886, first target I'll be keeping at 382 and the second target as 618. What am I saying? Okay, 618. All right, so this is what I'm looking at the next opportunity. So that's it. So again, if you like this video, hit the like button and do comment on whether you want to know more about the training. So I'm losing out on ideas because I want to keep the educational videos less than 10 minutes. All my videos has gone about 10 minutes already. So something related to any topic, if you can comment on that, that will be my next episode for the next video for this channel. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for listening and watching this video, and have a great day.